So, hello Taurus sign. Welcome to your monthly reading. So, 2024, January. Ano yung pwedeng mangyari? Sa January 2024, Taurus sign. Okay, sa love life ninyo. Ano yung pwedeng mangyari sa love life ninyo, Taurus sign, on January 2024? Okay, hindi lahat ng Taurus maka-resonate sa reading na to. So, takes what resonates and leave the rest. Cross-watchers, pwedeng kayo to at hindi sila Taurus sign. Remember, do watch your other placement signs kasi pwedeng maka-resonate kayo doon. Pwedeng mag-continue doon yung message ninyo. Pwedeng hindi kayo maka-resonate dito at doon kayo maka-resonate. So, Taurus sign this January, I can see here merong decision ang kailangan pag-iisipan whether iwan or hindi. Yeah, yung relasyon na to. So, whether ayusin, pagandahin, or hindi. So, may tendency dito na hindi mo alam yung desisyon na gagawin mo. Sobrang pinag-iisipan mo pa tong desisyon na to. Feeling ko may clarity na mangyayari this year 2024 about your confusion sa relasyon na meron ka. With the devil card here, I can see na medyo andun sa part na merong toxic or merong hindi tama, merong imbalance, merong jealousy, possessiveness. Parang feeling mo, bakit ganito yung nararamdaman ko sa relasyon namin? Anong meron? Bakit parang hindi ako kampante? Bakit palagi akong nagsiselos? Bakit palaging may ganito? So, you wanted the clarity. Might be this January magkakaroon ng clarity about this. You are really thinking. You are thinking about decision on what to do. Okay, you just really wanted to have a new beginning with this person na masaya kayong magsama, yung bonding ninyo, but nakakaramdam ka talaga sa taong ito na there is something wrong. Parang feeling mo niloloko ka niya, parang feeling mo may something, you know? So, let's see more. Ano yung pwedeng mangyari this January 2024? You might be dealing here with Aquarius or Capricorn sign. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So, you really wanted to have a changes na talaga, Taurus sign. Pakiramdam ko kasi dito, ito yung gusto mo nang mangyari sa relasyon ninyo. Ayaw mo na makaramdam ng ganito, possessiveness, and parang feeling mo niloloko ka, feeling mo may iba, and parang blindly fighting ka dito sa relasyon ninyo na siguro wala ka nakikitang ebidensya pero nararamdaman mo sa relasyon ninyo na parang there is something wrong. And I think this January magkakaroon ng, you just really wanted to have a changes this time. With this Page of Pentacles and the Six of Swords, I can see na parang disappointments ang magkakaroon sa iyo this January and willing to walk away calmly in this relationship to take the leap of faith towards a new beginning of your life. Just sabihin natin na parang sa point na you will going to challenge this person. You, Taurus sign, being a Taurus sign, you are the master of silent treatment. And you will going to challenge this person through silent treatment. So, para makita mo kung mamimiss ka niya, habulin ka ba niya, or malaman mo kung mahal ka ba talaga niya. You know, you will going to take the leap of faith. Parang para sa bahala na ako nung mangyari, I will going to try this because I really want to have changes. Hindi na ako mapakali. I want to see the clarity kung ano ba talaga yung nararamdaman niya para sa akin. So this January, pwedeng gagawin mo to see na kung itong person na to is really willing to fight for you and willing to explain kung ano yung katotohanan para maging maayos na kayo ulit. But the thing here is, andun sa point na I think the truth here is meron talagang parang other option dito. Nung ginawa mo itong silent treatment na to, nahirapan ka talaga. Kasi parang something guiltiness ang nararamdaman ko sa'yo. Parang ang naririnig ko dito, bakit ko pa nagawa yun? Parang pinagsisihan mo na ginawa mo yung silent treatment sa person mo. Parang mas lalo kang nalulungkot. Thinking about this person, missing this person. Pero yung person mo, willing naman din siya to fight for you. Willing siya to fight for you. May nararamdaman naman siya sa'yo. Mahal ka naman niya. It's just like this is true na meron talagang option sa relationship ninyong dalawa. So, let's see more, Taurus sign. Ano yung pwedeng malaman mo this January 2023 sa sitwasyon na ganito? Ano yung pwedeng mangyari? Okay. So, I can see this January 2024, this person will going to save your relationship, Taurus sign. Magkakaroon ng celebration sa inyong dalawa and magkakaroon ng balance, connection, even yung relationship ninyo. Ibig sabihin, may happiness na pwedeng mangyari dito. So, but the thing here is, Taurus sign, I think that this person will going to tell you something as well, the truth, you know, na this person really did cheat on you. Parang this January, mag-open up siya sa'yo. Mag-open up siya sa'yo to explain to you the truth. Para ayusin na din ninyo to. Parang sige, i-open up ko sa'yo yung katotohanan. Na nagkaroon talaga siya dito ng iba. Natukso siya sa iba. And tinago niya to talaga na parang wala siyang balak na sabihin sa'yo about this. Andun sa point na nung time siguro na hindi na, parang sabihin natin na hindi niya na na-appreciate yung mga nangyayari sa inyo. Lalo na nung time na you challenge this person to a silent treatment situation. Honestly, ang naramdaman ko dito sa kanya, ayaw kanyang mawala. Kaya nga he fight for your relationship. Kaya dito sa point na ano yung mga pwede mong malaman is pwedeng he will going to save your relationship at magkaayos kayo ulit. Pero malalaman mo yung katotohanan na yes, nagkamali talaga siya sa'yo. Pero bakit niya sinabi yun sa'yo? Kasi willing siya to work it out with you. Mas parang tumimbang ka nung time na challenge mo siya. So, mas nakita niya yung worth mo this time. And kaya, naglakas siya ng loob na ayusin talaga yung sa inyo kaysa sa kanila. So, ano yung mga possibility na pwede mangyari or possible outcome for this reading in the near future? So, Taurus sign, you might be dealing here with also with a Sagittarius sign. I can also see here a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. As I said, Aquarius, Capricorn. Ano yung magiging possible outcome ng reading na to? Okay. Libra sign is also here. So check your placement, guys, okay? So positive outcome sa reading na to in the near future. Okay. This person will going to offer you a new beginning of commitment. Ipaglalaban niya yung relasyon ninyo, Taurus sign. Magiging fair siya sa'yo this time. To be honest and sincere this time sa'yo. Ibig sabihin, sasabihin niya talaga sa'yo yung katotohanan na para magtuldukan na yon, and maging fair siya sa'yo na this time. Maging honest na siya sa'yo this time. Magkaroon na ng peaceful relationship kayong dalawa. Ayusin nyo na yung mga hindi nyo pagkakaunawaan na dalawa dito. Dahil ayaw niya na din siguro matrap sa situation. Siguro dati, ito yung naramdaman mo dito na parang feeling mo unfair, feeling mo confused, nagsiselos ka, nang hindi mo alam kung ano ba talaga yung katotohanan dito, meron ba or wala. Nagiging possessive ka, nagiging overthinker ka sa mga nangyari, and you just really want a clarity. Kasi nakita ko nga dito na parang ayaw niyang sabihin sa yung katotohanan. May tinatago siya something, you felt that. Pero hindi mo lang talaga, wala lang talagang clarity. So, this time, for the positive outcome, na-trap siya that time. Na-trap talaga siya between you and that person. But this time, gusto niyang ayusin yung sa inyo. So, this person really wanted na magkaayos kayo at mabalik yung pagmamahalan ninyo. And to move forward even. Okay? To move forward towards with you na talaga. And really willing talaga siya to do some action. And para maging maayos kayong dalawa. Gathering some ideas on what else to do. Okay? Para maging connected yung relationship ninyong dalawa. So, through that, nung time na binigyan mo siya ng silent treatment, itong person na to, nung time na medyo magulo kayo, medyo confusion ang meron sa'yo dito, hindi niya talaga alam kung papunta siya dito sa isa, papunta siya doon. Kasi hindi niya pa na-open up sa'yo. And wala pang, parang andun sa point na nandyan ka pa. Parang hindi pa siya na-challenge nung nawala ka. Parang naramdaman niya yung pagkawala mo talaga. Naramdaman niya yung worth mo, na mas mahal ka niya talaga. So, nung nangyari yon, this person is really like, mas naging open siya sa'yo. Mas gusto niya talaga ng panibagong relationship na magkaroon pa talaga ng, sabihin natin na parang rebirth, you know. Kung ano kayo before, gusto niya yung panibago, maganda, more on sincerity and honesty, love. Gusto niya ng rebirth sa inyong dalawa. So, ito yung positive outcome na pwedeng mangyari this year 2024 in the near future. Taurus sign could be dealing with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces as well. Okay, Libra sign, or you might be. So, check your placement, guys. So, I'm going to pull an oracle card for you, Taurus sign. Uy. So, I will not take this kasi isa lang ito. So, difficulties, jealousies from others may serve an obstacle to the success of this connection. See, I told you at the very beginning of your connection, meron talagang jealousy, possessiveness, and confusion. just want a clarity. So, parang naging serve to na obstacle sa inyong dalawa, pagsubok, test ng universe sa inyo, to see kung paano kayo magkakaroon ng successful relationship together. And I think, Taurus sign, na-pass ninyo yung test ng universe sa inyo. So, that is my reading for you. Thank you and God bless.